Hello, office worker. You must have a lot of tension. Before I started YouTube, I couldn't relate. My student Joe was always moaning. Working in a fixed position made him feel so horrible. This lifestyle was slowly destroying my body. You are going to feel brand new with the solution I'm about to show you. Let's get started. Place both palms in front of you and shake it forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the side. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shake your hand from the wrist as fast as you can.
3, 4, 5. Extend your arms out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Massage your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Massage as strong as you can. Don't worry.
4, 5. With fingers together and push it in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Push strongly.
2, 3, 4, 5. Push it in and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the fingers together and hold it in this position and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold both fists in this position and release. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Grab your fist tightly and release all the tension.
5. Both fists in this position and move your neck in a clockwise position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please follow my pace.
2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. This time, shake your hands up and down and bend your knee at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shake your hand from the wrist as fast as you can.
3, 4, 5. Stop. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. With your left palm onto your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax yourself.